Welcome, travel enthusiasts. Today we venture into the tropical paradise of Ko Phangan Island, Thailand. Nestled in the Gulf of Thailand, this island is a global magnet for its stunning beauty. Ko Phangan is not just an island, it's a spectacle of contrasting experiences. Imagine a place where the moon itself throws a party. Yes, the world-renowned full moon parties that light up the night with an energy so contagious, it would make the sun jealous. But don't let the vibrant nightlife fool you. During the day, the island is the very definition of calm and tranquility, offering serene landscapes that will make your heart skip a beat. It's this unique blend of high-energy nightlife and peaceful daytime scenery that sets Ko Phangan apart. So, why wait? Let's dive into the best scenic spots this gem of an island has to offer. First up on our list is the breathtaking Thong Nai Pan Beach, a picturesque beach divided into two parts, Thong Nai Pan Yai and Thong Nai Pan Noi. This beach is a jewel tucked away on the northeastern coast of Ko Phangan Island, a serene paradise far from the bustling tourist spots. Thong Nai Pan Yai, the larger sibling, is a half-moon-shaped beach with crystal-clear turquoise waters that gently lap onto its soft white sand. It's the perfect spot for a leisurely swim, or just floating around on the calm sea. The beach is bordered by a thick curtain of lush tropical greenery, creating a peaceful sanctuary for nature lovers. Here, you can lounge under the shade of towering palm trees, feeling the cool ocean breeze on your skin as you soak up the tranquility. On the other hand, Thong Nai Pan Noi, the smaller of the two, offers a more intimate setting. This beach boasts an equally stunning shoreline, but it's the tranquil atmosphere that sets it apart. It's quieter, less crowded, and has a certain charm that's hard to put into words. It's a place where time seems to slow down, allowing you to disconnect from the world and reconnect with nature. The majestic beauty of Thong Nai Pan Beach extends beyond the shoreline. The surrounding area is peppered with quaint local restaurants and beachfront bungalows, offering an authentic taste of Thai culture and hospitality. As the sun begins to set, the sky transforms into a breathtaking canvas of vibrant colors, casting a warm glow over the entire beach. It's a sight that will surely leave you in awe of nature's splendor. Whether you're a solo traveler seeking solitude, a couple looking for a romantic getaway, or a family wanting to spend quality time together, Thong Nai Pan Beach has something for everyone. It's a haven of peace and tranquility, a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Thong Nai Pan Beach is truly a paradise for those seeking tranquility amidst natural beauty. Next, we explore the Phang Waterfall National Park, a natural wonder that will leave you in awe. This sanctuary, tucked away in the heart of Ko Phangan Island, is home to the breathtaking Phang Waterfall, a spectacle of cascading water that plunges dramatically down a steep rock face into a serene pool below. As you venture deeper into the park, you'll find yourself enveloped by a lush tropical forest. The air here is fresh, filled with the scent of damp earth and the symphony of nature. The rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds, and the rhythmic, soothing sound of water rushing down the waterfall. This forest is a sanctuary of tranquility, a place where you can disconnect from the outside world and immerse yourself in the beauty of nature. The park boasts a network of hiking trails that meander through the dense vegetation, guiding you to some truly stunning viewpoints. As you ascend, the forest gradually reveals spectacular vistas of the island, the azure sea, and the distant horizon. It's a hiker's paradise with trails that challenge and reward in equal measure. And let's not forget the rich biodiversity that the park offers. It's a living, breathing ecosystem, teeming with a variety of flora and fauna. From towering trees to delicate orchids, from darting butterflies to chattering monkeys, the park is a treasure trove of biodiversity that never ceases to amaze. But above all, the Phang Waterfall stands as the park's crowning glory. Whether you're watching the water tumble from the top, swimming in the cool pool at the base, or simply sitting on a nearby rock, soaking up the serene atmosphere, the waterfall is a sight to behold and an experience to cherish. Phang Waterfall National Park is a must-visit for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. This haven of natural beauty, with its enchanting waterfall, lush forest, scenic trails, and abundant wildlife, offers an unforgettable journey into the heart of Ko Phangan Island. So pack your hiking boots and a sense of adventure and prepare to be captivated by the magic of Phang Waterfall National Park. Pod. For our next stop, we ascend to the highest point on Ko Phangan Island, Khao Ra. Here, the adventure truly begins. Rising majestically to a height of 629 meters, Khao Ra is a hiker's paradise, offering an exhilarating journey to the top that's as captivating as the view from the summit. The trail to the top is a symphony of nature, a lush tapestry of green that unfolds with every step. As you make your way up, the path winds through dense tropical rainforest, where the air is filled with the scent of damp earth and exotic plants. The melody of the forest is a chorus of bird calls, the rustling of leaves, and the occasional chattering of monkeys. It's a sensory feast, a complete immersion into the heart of nature. Along the way, don't be surprised if you spot some of the island's wildlife. From the shy and elusive Malayan pangolin to the vibrantly colored kingfisher, Khao Ra is a haven for many species. Keep your eyes peeled and your camera ready. These encounters are part of what makes the hike so special. The climb may be steep, but the reward at the top is worth every drop of sweat. As you reach the summit, the forest canopy opens up to reveal a breathtaking panoramic view of Ko Phangan Island. It's a sight to behold, a sprawling vista of lush greenery, pristine beaches, and the sparkling turquoise waters of the Gulf of Thailand. It's a postcard-perfect view that captures the essence of the island's beauty. And as you stand there, the cool breeze brushing against your face, you'll realize that the journey to Khao Ra is more than just a hike. It's an experience, a testament to the island's natural beauty, and a memory that will stay with you long after you've descended from its peak. For those who crave adventure and stunning views, Khao Ra will not disappoint. We've only just scratched the surface of what Ko Phangan Island has to offer. This magical island in Thailand is teeming with beauty and intrigue, and we've been privileged to share just a few of its scenic spots with you today. We started our journey with the tranquil Thong Nai Pan Beach. Its white sands and crystal-clear waters offer peace and relaxation, as well as a stunning backdrop for sunrise or sunset. The twin bays, separated by a rocky headland, provide a haven for those seeking a quiet retreat from the hustle and bustle of life. Then we ventured into the heart of the island, to Phang Waterfall National Park. This oasis of lush greenery and cascading waterfalls is a testament to the island's diverse natural beauty. The park's main attraction, Phang Waterfall, is a majestic sight to behold, plunging from a height into a pool below, surrounded by dense tropical forest. We then took you to the highest point on Ko Phangan, Khao Ra. This mountain offers a challenging hike, but the panoramic views from the top make every step worth it. Overlooking the entire island, the vista from Khao Ra is a breathtaking blend of greenery, coastline, and azure sea. But remember, Ko Phangan is more than just its natural beauty. It's a place where the vibrant nightlife meets the serene wilderness. It's where the full moon party, one of the biggest beach parties in the world, takes place. It's where you can dance the night away under the stars, then wake up to the calming sounds of the ocean. Yet it's also a place where you can find solitude, where you can practice yoga by the beach, or meditate in one of the many Buddhist temples scattered around the island. It's a place of contrasts, a place of balance, a place that truly has something for everyone. Our journey today has been an enriching one, but it's far from comprehensive. There's so much more to explore, from the diving spots off the coast, to the local markets in the towns, to the numerous other beaches and waterfalls that dot the island. Ko Phangan is a treasure trove waiting to be discovered, and we hope we've inspired you to consider it for your next travel destination. Now, it's your turn to tell us, which area of the world should we explore next? We're always on the lookout for new and exciting places to share with you. And remember, please like and subscribe. Your support helps us bring more of the world to you. Until next time, happy travels.